Now let's go to our next guest. Joining us now is Allie Phillips, a Tennessee abortion care plaintiff, one of the women who's suing. She's also running for the Tennessee House of Representatives as a Democratic candidate. Allie, thank you very much for joining us. And you're doing this because this is personal to you. This has happened to you. You were pregnant with your second child, and you were told that pregnancy was not viable. The baby would not live. Tell me what doctors told you.
Yes, correct. And thank you so much for having me on today. Like you said, this was a planned for and wanted pregnancy. And after my 19-week anatomy scan, we were referred over to a high-risk doctor. And in that appointment is when we found out that nearly every organ in our daughter's body did not form correctly, and that we had two options. We could continue the pregnancy, but that posed a significant health risk to my fertility or my life. Or we could terminate. But due to Tennessee's ban, we could not terminate here. And she felt she could not offer me any resources on navigating the out-of-state care. So I was really left to my own devices and figuring out how to get that health care that I needed and how to find that health care quickly.
What did you do?
I ended up calling multiple states. I think I called about 4 or 5 different states that accepted a 20-week abortion. Had to find flights, hotels, and ended up starting a GoFundMe online because my husband and I, we are low income. We couldn't afford the unexpected expenses that it was going to cost to flee the state. And so we ended up going to New York City and Manhattan. And I arrived there on March 7th, roughly a week and a half after my high-risk appointment. And at that clinic, I found out that my daughter had already passed in utero, and my risk of infection, blood clots, or going septic was increased. And I ended up having that abortion within the hour of that, finding out that she was deceased.
That is so horrible, and I'm so sorry that you had to go through that. The law in Tennessee currently states that there are exceptions. They're to save a pregnant patient's life and to prevent substantial health problems. Why is that not clear enough?
Because they can't define what saving life is. Is it at a 10% chance, a 50% chance? They won't clarify, and they can't because they're not doctors. We have to trust our medical professionals and the oath that they took to take care of us, and know that the work that they do is authentic and they know what's best for their patients, not our politicians, not our lawmakers. So it really is a case of it needs to be between the woman and her doctor, and that's final.
Why do you think that there's not trust between a woman and her doctor? I mean, you can ban abortions, say abortions shouldn't be legal, except in the cases where a woman's life is at risk. Why is it not then just deferred to the doctor? The doctor says this, and we trust that doctor. Why do you think that is?
Well, because our doctors right now, at least in Tennessee, have the fear of the unknown with the vagueness of our laws. They don't want to risk a Class C felony, 15 years in prison, losing their medical licenses. This is uprooting their lives for simply offering health care that they, like I said, took an oath to do. So I trust my doctor, but my doctor doesn't trust our government and the state that she works for. And so she felt she could not offer me the resources. So it's not a case of we as patients aren't trusting our doctors. It's the state doesn't trust them to make the best decisions to help us and making those best decisions for ourselves. And I think that's something the state needs to figure out on their own, and why they think they have the authority.
Yeah. I guess my question is, why do you think the state doesn't trust your doctors?
That is, I guess, the million-dollar question. I think it's a lot of ideologies and what they think is best for women, and it has nothing rooted in any sort of scientific facts or anything that has to do with medical knowledge.
Allie, it's really good to have you. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'm so sorry that you had to go through what you went through. That is just an awful situation, especially having to travel during it. Allie Phillips, thank you again for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Hey everyone, MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.